Please, please, come, please. It's okay. I'm sorry. Sorry. Gently. Please. Let me get a taxi. Okay, please. Thank you, please. Please hurry up. Sorry, please. Please hurry up! Only please. Be good. Only right. Please. Lock the door. Don't lock the door. Lock the door. Who is after you? What is the problem? What is it? What happened?
Tonya, my father almost shot me dead.
What? Why?
I was this close to death. God saved me. I heard gunshots. Tonya, I heard gunshots.
Gina. You have to calm down first.
Oh, doctor. You are welcome. Please, how is he?
He has a partial stroke.
Partial stroke? Oh my God. Please, doctor, try everything within your professional capabilities to save him, please.
He will be fine.
Thank you very much.
You can go and see him now.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Are you stupid? Who is the queen? Pour some juice for me.
Excuse me? What did you just say?
Well, I wasn't referring to you.
Jane.
Yes, my queen.
Is that my food?
Yes, my queen.
Listen. Nobody tampers with my food. If you are hungry, you tell the maids to prepare you whatever you want to eat.
You know, I hate it when people rant.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
My son must hear this.
For your information, we are getting married this Wednesday. And you're not going to be an obstacle to it.
Don't try it. Stop.
Don't force me to bathe you with this juice.
Excuse me!
You heard me.
Try it. I dare you.
You really need to calm down, okay? Honestly, I can't sit back and watch you enact this absurd drama. I was on my way to work before you came in. And I can't leave my house open for you.
Sonia. Really? Are you asking me to leave your house?
I am not asking you to leave my house. I'm only saying you should go back to the palace. Please.
I thought he's mine. I thought he's mine. Love forever.
It's fine, babe. I'll go.
After all this fight, after all my sacrifice,
I hope you understand.
I do.
I have sacrificed a lot just for our love. I have done what I should not do just because of our love.
Gina, where have you been? You even left your phone here.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
You're sorry about what? Are you alright?
I almost died today. Yes. I heard a bullet whisper past my ear. Just few inches from hitting my head.
Gina, who wanted to shoot you? Gina! Gina!
My heart is burning, my head is on fire.
Hey!
Good morning.
Morning.
I need to talk to you.
Sweetie. I'll be outside.
Okay. Take care, okay? I'm coming. Okay?
Uzo, my father has been booked for an operation. We do not have enough money to pay for his hospital bill, so I'm here to see what you can do.
Unfortunately, I don't have any money with me right now.
Uzo, I'm not asking you to pay me all the money I gave to you. If you can give me the last 500,000 naira I gave to you, it will save my father's life. Now he knows I sold his property.
So you're going to remind me that you sold some things to help me?
Would you prefer I lose my father to death? Is that what you're saying?
Excuse me.
Uzo. Uzo.
Where have you been? You think you can walk in and out of this palace because I gave you the privilege of living here?
I went to see my father.
News?
He is sick. Very sick. My father is due for an operation. And as a matter of fact, he's been booked for one. But sadly, we do not have enough money for his hospital bill.
He does not have money. Yet he rejected royalty. A wretched man with a choice.
Lord Jesus. What kind of a people is this?
I'm so sorry. I know.
Honey, can you see?
Can I talk to you? Okay. Look, Gina, I want to first apologize for what happened yesterday. I'm very, very sorry. Unfortunately, at this point, there is absolutely nothing I can do.
Annie, I understand, okay? The thing is, my father needs to go for an operation. And the only asset he had, I already sold it off. I was hoping that I would get that money back before now.
And you gave my brother the money, I guess.
Yes. I gave him the money a few weeks after we met, when it all started. Honey,
Yes.
you sounded really nervous over the phone. Is there a problem?
Yes, babe. If you don't help me now, I will go to jail. I'm in a big mess.
What is it? Tell me.
My containers have been seized. And if I don't give them what they want, I'll go to jail. They're demanding 25 million naira, or I go to jail.
What exactly is the problem? Were there contrabands in your container?
Something like that.
And how do you mean something like that?
You see, I imported some fabrics from India, and inside the containers there are some wraps of cocaine in it.
Baby. And you don't sound like it's only cocaine that was there. What else was there? What else was found there?
Actually, there are 5 containers and I have firearms in it.
Firearms?
Yes.
What were you thinking? What were you thinking? How could you take such a big risk?
Babe, see, just calm down. As we are talking now, they are watching. Okay? You have to help me, please.
Honey. Okay, but I think you have to go. Go, okay? Come back tomorrow. I'll think of something to do. You just have to go now, okay?
Babe, please. If you help me in this, I will never forget it.
I know
Please.
what to do, babe. Just go, okay?
It's okay. Thank you so much. I'll be waiting. Okay? Let me go now.
Yes, hello. Yeah? I can hear you. Hello? Yeah, it's Gina on the line. Who's talking, please? Yes, so... What? Okay, okay. Is he there with you? Can you please give me the phone? Honey, are you alright? Okay, listen, I'll be there in a minute. Just keep calm and wait for me. You hear me? Please. Okay, okay.
So this is how I lost everything. I went to the custom for my goods. They said they put it up for auction. I've lost over 76 million naira, just like that.
Honey, listen, I told you before, I'll give you 15 million naira for a start. All I want you to do is promise me that you'll pay back the money. You know the risk I took with my father's properties.
If I'm going to make a hit with this 50 million naira, I must make sure I buy you another filling station so that your father won't even know that you sold anything. Don't you trust me again?
Of course I do.
Good.
I trust you, baby. And I want the best for you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I love you, baby.
I love you too. Hey. Are you alright?
I am not alright, honey. I am so damn worried. It's been 4 months and my father is beginning to ask questions as to why I'm not giving him monthly reports as supposed. What is going on?
Babe, I have a surprise for you. I want you to close your eyes. Close them. Do not open. Okay? You can now open your eyes. Will you marry me?
Yes, baby, yes.
Good. Come here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let me see, I could have done this in a bigger way. Buy you a car, take you to a wonderful restaurant. But you know, this is my custom problem. It's giving me big wahala.
Problem?
Yeah.
What problem?
Babe, they are holding my 3 40-feet containers since March. But this time around, there was no contraband. They just want to frustrate me. But right now, I even want to sell my car so I can be able to add up the money and pay them. And I can always buy another car once I sell the goods and make money from it.
No, baby. Selling your car won't be good for your business. Don't worry. I should sell mine instead.
Babe, you don't have to do that.
I do not want your goods to be up for auction again. Don't you get it?
Oh, God. Are you a God sent?
See, however, I'm doing it for love's sake. I love you so much, Uzo, and I want you to know that.
Babe. I love you.
I know.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, big baby. Stop.
Thank you.
Hello, sister girl. Amazing grace, how sweet that sound. Today is the happiest day of my life.
Really?
Yes.
So tell me,
Yes.
what puts these butterflies in your stomach?
Yes, baby, yes. Yes, that's the right word. There are so many butterflies in my stomach. You know why? Because soon I will be addressed as Mrs. Queen Gina Uzo of Fordiri. Isn't that beautiful, babe?
I see.
You see? Are you not happy for me?
Are you happy for yourself? No, tell me! Are you happy for yourself, Gina? For the past few weeks, you've been crawling around this guy forgetting your job. The filling station your father left in your care has not been functioning for the past month now. What is wrong with you? And I ask you, does that matter to you at all?
You know, I didn't think you were going to be a killjoy. But I'll just be on my way if you want to be that.
You can use the door because I never invited you.
Did you just say that?
I did.
How sweet.
By the way, I did not hear you drive in. I hope your car did not go in place of the engagement ring.
I have saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now
Gina needs help. She does.
Could it be that Uzo proposed to me just to shut me up?
no, it's not true.
Uzo cannot do a thing like that to me. He'll pay me. I know he'll pay me back the money. I know. He'll pay me. My dad is so devastated right now. He chased me out with a gun, and my father almost shot me dead.
Oh my God. Gina, look, I'm so sorry. Okay? I wish there's something I can do to help. You know, I'm only but a student still doing my master's program.
That man has given up on me. I feel so terrible. So terrible. Is there a word worse than terrible? That's exactly how I feel.
It's okay. Gina, listen. I'll speak to my brother. Yeah. I'll speak to him to see if he could at least give you some part of the money to use and save your father's life.
You know, I feel awkward about this whole thing. The world seems to be like a very strange place to me. I don't know if you understand, but never mind. I'm fine. I'll be fine. Thank you. I truly appreciate it.
Gina, listen. I'll be going back to school tomorrow. Please. You have to be very careful here. Avoid any problem that can come in between you and my mom.
You leave me?
Yes.
It's fine. I'll try.
Were you able to speak to your brother about the money?
Oh yes, I did. But he doesn't have any money on him right now. Not to worry. I am going to speak to my boyfriend about it. Okay?
Okay, no problem. So, you know I'll miss you, right?
Same here.
It's cold without you here.
I know. Just be good.
I will.
And be careful.
Okay?
Okay? Remember what I told you.
I won't forget.
Alright. I'll be on my way now.
Alright, I'll see you.
Okay.
morning, madam.
Good morning, my son. You're welcome.
Where is Berry?
Berry is not at home. Who are you? And I hope all is well.
All is not well. It might interest you to know that Berry, your daughter, ran away with my son.
Your son? Your son? Please, I don't understand. Huh?
There is nothing to understand. Madam, I am very, very sure Berry is inside there. Why we go in there, bring her out before I vent my spleen on you.
My son, please calm down and explain this to me. I don't understand.
Mother, I am very, very convinced your daughter is inside. I am 100% convinced Berry is inside. Go bring her out before I vent my spleen.
Hey!
I am only being calm because I did not see Berry eyeball to eyeball. Obuna from Berry anya. Obuna from anya now.
Hey! Baby, when will you change?
Young man, sir, did you say the child you came back with your son?
Yes, sir. He's my son. This is the photocopy of his birth certificate.
If I may ask, maybe what you left?
It is a long story. I discovered she was having a secret affair with my friend. I confronted her. And she stabbed me severally and left me in a pool of my own blood.
My son, I'm sorry about that. But she knows very well that this village does not take a child that is not their blood. Eh?
Things like this have happened before. A woman returned with a son. But I must make it clear to you, we are fighting over your son. We find her, and when we find her, we will make sure she brings your son back to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I want my son back. As I speak to you, my father is in the hospital, sick. And he wants to see my son before he dies.
I'm sorry about your father's sickness. But, as the mother said, in this village, we do not accept a child that is not our own.
Mom.
We find her and your son. And when we see them, we will send for you.
Really, sir? Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I beg to take note.
Oh, this girl. She's not picking her call. Eh? Hello.
Mama.
I want to talk to you as my own daughter. Listen to me.
You are not fine?
I'm not fine at all. As you see me, I'm not fine. Ja. But I gave you some money to buy some drugs. I have waist pain. Arthritis. My head. All my body is paining me. I don't know what to do. I want to come over to your house. You want to come visit me? I want to come and rest,
Mama, I told you that where I am, I cannot entertain visitors.
I'm crying. Mama, what are you doing? Mama, stop it. Stop crying. I don't like this. Mama, stop it. I don't like it. Please, my daughter, when are you coming to take me, Is it tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Okay, fine.
I'll come take you on Saturday, unfailingly.
No, Saturday. Hey, no, it's too far. It's too far, my daughter.
Bye. Such a drama queen. What is she up to? This is one of her dramas to bring me home. I see. Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
I thought you were sleeping.
No, I'm going through some business proposals here.
Okay.
Where's my baby?
Jane took him to the mall.
Hey, come on. Let me do that for you.
Uzo, that is highly dangerous to your health. Have you forgotten what the doctor told you?
Uzo, who invited this thing here?
I wasn't talking to you.
Well, I am talking to you. What are you doing here? Get out of my sight.
Uzo, I want to have a word with you.
Can't you see I'm busy? Huh?
I want just 1 minute of your time. 1 minute, Uzo.
Get out of my sight. Get out.
Touch me one more time and I will mess your black ass.
You do what? You will not do anything. You will not do anything. You will not do anything to me. Look at this brat. Look at this.
How did you push my fiancé?
Your fiancé? And what am I? Your servant, I guess. You were here when she pushed me first. Weren't you?
I want you out of this house this minute.
I go nowhere.
You go nowhere.
Yes! Uzo, I go nowhere. My father is dying. Did you hear that? No!
Come on.
Allow me to teach this thing a lesson.
Come on.
Allow me to teach her just a little lesson.
Come on.
Allow me to teach her.
No, stop.
Allow me.
Stop.
Fool.
Come on, move.
Rubbish. Don't try me next time, you fool.
Welcome. You just have to take things easy. Sometimes in life, situations like this require that you tread carefully to avoid problems. Okay, now, since she came back, she's been having dealings with top paranoid drug dealers.
Polo, I don't care. Polo, I will not let this lie low. I don't care whatever she's been doing with her life. That's not my problem. I want my son. That is what I want.
Mom. But you see, like I said, I insist that you take this matter to the police. Huh? Adamakwama, she will deny you.
Polo, I am not a child. Dozie is not a child. The South African police is after her. I have reported the case to the Commissioner of Police with a copy of my son's birth certificate attached to it. I have done that.
Okay. Well, in that case, I think that's a smart move. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's a smart move. Sure.
There is no way I'm leaving this place without my money. You're going to pay me every dime I spent on you. Okay? You want me to spill my blood for you? Great.
You want to turn this palace into a battleground, right?
Greetings, my queen. I'm sorry, but she slapped me.
You shut up! You don't talk when I talk. It's an insult for you to lay your filthy hand on the future queen of this kingdom.
My queen, you slapped me?
What do you want to do? You want to fight me? Okay, fight me! I said fight me! Fight! Come and fight me!
Oh!
Hey!
No.
This guy has killed me!
Wait.
Hey, what? Thank God you came.
Wait. Excuse me. You! So it has got to the point of fighting my own mother.
Hey.
Eh? It has reached to that point?
Auntie, please. You need to go to the hospital. If you continue like this, they will kill you here.
Never. I won't live here without my money. There's no way I'm leaving this place without my money.
Even if you die here, your money will not still come out.
Let me die. Let me die.
No, you will not die. Please, go to the hospital and get yourself treated. Please. Please. Eh? See now. Eh? Please. I beg you. Please. Please.
I have sacrificed.
What happened to you? Talk to me, what happened to you? Okay, let me take you to the hospital.
UZOZIE, rap on what I kill her. You don't know where she's coming from.
She needs help, can't you see?
Yes, she needs help. But do you realize that by trying to help a total stranger, you could get yourself into trouble? Huh? But look, I'm going to look at something. In all my years on earth, one of the most valuable things I've learned is to mind my business.
People are minding my business.
I don't think so. Forget about this girl. Can I say about what?
Just take a good look at yourself. Look at you. I'm talking to you. Use the mirror. Look at yourself. When we were growing up and up till date, our peers have been envious of you. They've been jealous of you because of the love and care your parents showered on you. But look what you've become. Just look at what you turned yourself into. You are now being treated like a rag by a man you claimed loved you so much. What is this?
Tonya, nobody is treating me like a rag. I told you it was just an accident.
Oh, come off it. Don't lie to me anymore. I am not a child. What do you take me for? All the while, you've been running around, proclaiming your love for that man. I knew he was up to something. I saw it, but you were blinded by your love.
My head aches. Can I please rest it? Please.
You can use the guest room.
It's okay, my brother. So this is what Gina was with me. It is alright. This is not the time to talk about Gina. We should be talking about your well-being. Okay? Come back into the shake of you. It's okay. The more you think about this, the more you aggravate your health. Thank you so much. You're welcome, my dear. God bless you. And you too. My brother, please don't think about it again. If you do, you will be aggravating your health condition, okay? So, listen, I beg to take my leave now. My wife, please, continue to be his nurse.
Thank you so much. Go well, sir.
Thank you very much.
You like this one?
Yes. Okay, take this one.
Nice.
Oh, yeah? Let me see.
Oh, so nice.
Oh, you said it to me.
I will. Okay, 3 of us now.
Okay.
Up. So then let me turn it.
Okay.
I'm gonna do something now, yeah? We'll take it 2 seconds. Okay? Now, we snap. Let's go there. Another one is coming.
Yay!
That's right. It's coming. Another one.
So nice.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so tired. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. Let's go up.
Okay.
Okay.
No. You're not gonna walk.
You help me.
No, this is not allowing me.
No.
I was telling you.
No.
He's not like that.
Oh, bye-bye.
Were you able to reach Berry?
Yes, my son. But she said that she's coming on Saturday. Maybe you will go and come back on Saturday.
Madam, call your daughter now and tell her I will kill you if she doesn't come now. I will shoot you.
Please, my son. I will call her now. Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Hello? Mama, did we not agree on Saturday? Why are you disturbing me?
Let me...
Hello?
Barry,
Lucy, how did you find my mother? Please don't harm her.
I want my child. That is all I want. And I mean it.
Calm down and listen to me first.
Please don't shoot me, please.
Well, you can go to hell if you don't want to listen to me.
Ah. I will go to hell with your mother. And I'll still come back for you. I mean every word of it. Every word of it!
Okay. Please. It's okay, please don't harm my mother, please. Your son is in safe hands. He's in South Africa. I will tell Maki to bring him to you. Please, don't harm my mother. Dozie?
I will still come back. Don't even try to escape because I will catch you. Barry, I will nip you in the bud.
Hello? Hello?
Please, my son, don't shoot me. Please, don't shoot me.
Keep quiet. I don't make empty threats. I make promises.
Don't shoot me. Please, don't shoot me. Please, my son, don't shoot me. Help! Don't kill me. Hey. Daddy. Help, Mom.
What do I do now? What do I do now? Dozie means every word he says. What do I do? What do I do?
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm alright.
Who were you talking to on the phone?
My mother.
That she wants to kill herself?
Yes, she said arthritis wants to kill her. Arthritis, yes, arthritis.
I see.
Okay. What do I do?
That man came to my house, threatening to shoot me if I did not provide my...
That's no about that. I've talked to someone who knows where we can find Barry. Go there on Saturday. First thing, I promise you that.
Saturday?
Yes!
No, Saturday is too far. That boy is going to kill me. Saturday is too far. We cannot wait until Saturday. Can't we go today?
I have a lot to do with the parish council this week. Can be today. Yes.
That means I have to go alone.
Yes,
go and get me the address.
Let me get the address. Don't worry.
Go and get me. Just go.
Come yourself. I will go.
Okay.
Let me get the address.
Get me the address.
No, I'm coming.
Please do. Hey, Saturday. No, I can't wait until Saturday. How can I wait until Saturday? No. Uncle, please hurry. Hurry, please. Hey. No. Look at this one.
Betty,
Thank God I found you. There is something I want to tell you before this madman will kill your mother.
Honey, who is this?
Sweetie, I don't know. Madam, who are you?
Who am I? Are you on a jump?
But I don't get it. Your gate man just opens the gate for every mad woman on the street. What is this? Who is this woman? What is she doing here? Jane!
My daughter called me a mad woman.
Where is your daughter? Are you insane?
Hey! Jane! My daughter has gone insane.
Jane!
Yes, ma'am.
Take this mad woman out of this palace.
Madam, please go. Go.
Take her out of this place.
It's me!
Are you insane? Take this man, please. She's attacking me. Can you call the guy? You're attacking me. She's attacking me. Get out.
Go.
I want to keep gate man for me. Honey, can you imagine? I don't know. The gate man just opens the gate for every Tom, Dick and Harry on the street. I don't know. She tried to attack me. She tried to attack me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Jane.
Yes, my prince.
Come here. This time, if you opens the gate for any mad person out there anymore, see what I'll do to
Honey, she's not the problem. The stupid gate man. Call that stupid gate man for me. Call him for me. Okay. Can you imagine?
I thought he's mine. I thought he's mine. Love him forever. After all this fight, after all my sacrifice, after all my stubbornness to my papa, I have sacrificed a lot just for our love, I have done what I should not do just because of our love, My heart is burning, my head is on fire.
My daughter, my own daughter that I carried in my womb for 9 good months, called me a mad woman and sent guards to throw me out of the house.
What? Your own daughter? Hey! Called you a mad woman? and threw her out of our own house. Don't even think down. Hey, well, I'm not surprised. If she could run away with another man's son, there's nothing she could not do. She could do more than that.
Nothing will make me to forgive her. I will not forgive her in this life.
Mbano.
Hey!
She's your daughter. For heaven's sake, you have to forgive her. No? Why not go home?
Eh? Which home? That house? No. That man will come there and kill me. I don't want to die yet.
Well, if you don't want to go, you can go home and bring your things and come here and stay with us if you want.
Sit down.
Thank you.
I want you to tell me how much I will pay you, so you stop telling the whole world how you saved my son's life.
My queen. Do you know how much I love your son?
No, I don't. Tell me. Listen, I want you to go straight to the point. How much?
What I did for Uzo, I did it for love.
Young woman, I am not here to listen to your sermon.
I don't want anything. The love I have for Uzo has no price tag on it. So, it is priceless.
Listen, there is no point getting emotional about this. I'll give you some time to think about it. You may go now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm going out.
Let me have the car key.
My queen, I have this very important appointment that I need to catch up with. Please let me drive so I can be there in time. Please.
I hate to repeat myself.
I thought he's mine. I thought he's mine. Love him forever.
Do you see what I was telling you? Honestly, I hate to remind you that I once told you that the royal household does not have any regard for you whatsoever. I mean, with everything that is happening there, what are you still doing there?
What do you expect me to do? You want me to leave? To where? My home? So you see?
Gina, there is still time for you to make up for the wrongs you've done. I believe your father will still forgive and accept you. It's better that way instead of becoming a maid in the palace.
Uzo said he can take me in as a second wife.
What? What did you just say?
Yes.
Gina! Jeez! You sound so deranged! So, you would rather be a second wife than dusting your feet and walking away from a place you're not needed?
Hey, what do you want me to do? Do you expect me to back off now? You of all people should know. I have invested so much in my relationship with Uzo. I cannot turn back and walk away now. You know that. It's too late.
Jesus Christ. This is too much. Gina, how much is this love worth? Does Uzo still love you? Are you wanted in the palace? It's written all over your face. The answer is no.
I cannot live still.
Why not?
Don't you get it? Don't worry. It's my fight. I will fight it to the end. Living now will be a sign of weakness, and I don't want to be seen as weak. I can't.
Gina, walking away from hate, wickedness, and all the vices is never weakness on your path.
Please, my friend, before it is too late.
Green snake in the green grass. Have I not told you to leave this palace? What are you still waiting for?
You know, I hate it when people disturb my peace. And that's exactly what you're doing. I hate being shouted at.
I want you out of my husband's house. Out of this palace.
What is this place? My husband's kitchen? You know what? You should be the one to get out of this palace. Not to worry. As soon as my husband Uzo becomes the king of this kingdom, I'll personally throw you out.
I would have sent you to your poor mother's house then.
Balderdash.
What did you say?
You are talking balderdash.
Are you...